Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Share My Location if it's not working on your iPhone. Now, first just head into the settings. We're going to check a couple things in the settings. From here, let's scroll down and make sure you've given your phone permission to access your location to be able to share it. To do that, we're going to go down until we see Privacy and Security midway down. Now, when we're in Privacy and Security, you can see at the very top Location Services. Just tap on that. The first thing we need to make sure is Location Services is turned on. So if that is off, turn it on. And next, let's go to Share My Location. On here, at the very top, tap on Find My iPhone and make sure Find My iPhone is turned on, as well as Find My Network and Send Less Location. Those are all good to have on. Next, let's hit the back arrow and you can see My Location and Share My Location. Again, this needs to be turned on. So everything needs to be turned on here. However, that's not everything. So let's go back one. And when we scroll down, you'll be able to see all of the apps that have access to using your location. We need to go to two different apps. One is Find My and tap on it. Make sure this is at least set to while using this app and precise location is turned on. So make sure to tap on that. And then we're going to go back out here and we also want to do the same thing for messages because a lot of times people share their location through messages. So make sure to tap on while using the app and precise location turned on. The next thing we're going to do is go back out of here and yet again within Location Services, we'll scroll down to the bottom because you can see at the very bottom is System Services. Just tap on that. And now there are two things you need to make sure that are turned on. One is Find My iPhone. Yet again, we need to make sure that is turned on. As well, you need to scroll down and you can see Share My Location. That is yet another one that you need to make sure is turned on. So let's turn on the location for all of those. After you've done that, let's go back to the very beginning of your settings. So hit the back button until you get to the very beginning. If it's still not working for you, we're going to check to see if screen time is the issue. So scroll down and tap on Screen Time here. And then we're going to scroll down until we get to Content and Privacy Restrictions right there. Now, if this is turned on and Location Services is set to Don't Allow Changes, or this is turned off, this could cause issues with you sharing your location in the Find My app or in Messages. So I would just suggest turning that off. Now, the next thing that you can do is go back to the very beginning of your settings. If all of these don't work, from the beginning of your settings, we can tap on the General option towards the bottom. And now we're going to go through the process of resetting all of those location settings. To do that, we'll scroll down to the bottom until we get to Transfer or Reset iPhone. Just tap on that and then tap on Reset. Now, the nice thing is we don't need to reset your entire settings. We just need to reset the location settings. So you can see at the very bottom, Reset Location and Privacy. Just tap on that. You'll enter in the passcode for your phone and then it will restart and it should work at that point. If it still doesn't work for you, make sure you just tap on Messages here and open up the conversation. The easiest way to share that location is to tap on the little plus right here and then go down and tap on Location. This will pop up with your location and then you could just tap on the Share button at the bottom right and choose to share it either indefinitely or for an hour or until the end of the day. If all of these don't fix it, the last thing you can do is a hard restart on your phone. To do that, we're going to press the volume up, press the volume down, and then press and hold that side button until you see the Apple logo. So I'll show you how to do that. Volume up, volume down, and press and hold that side button. Keep holding even though you see slide to power off. And on here, you're going to see the entire screen go black. After you see it go black, you'll be able to see the Apple logo will appear. When it does appear just like that, I can release my fingers and you've done a hard restart on your phone. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.